The summer block program is unique and it's designed to provide the social work education experience to people who are not necessarily from New York City.
Our students come from all over the world and they all converge to spend the summer in New York City.
So in the course of the summer classes that we have, we start at 9 in the morning. We go until 4:30 in the afternoon with a 1-hour break for lunch. At the end of the day, we have plenty of time to do our assignments, and the support we have from the faculty is tremendous.
The summer program has 3 different summers, and the 2 intervening time periods are spent in your field placement at home.
We actually have on-the-ground people working to place them in agencies in their local community. We have people who will visit their agency once a semester, help them identify learning goals, make sure that they're meeting those goals, and make sure that the placement is going well. We also bring those students together locally to talk about their field placements and to share their learning experiences with each other.
The Wurzweiler summer block program is set up in a really streamlined, effective way because we're able to cover the coursework that's needed in a concise manner and then practice what we've learned in our fieldwork to become the best professional social worker that we could.
Students come, they're here all day together, they're in classes together, they form an intense community, an intense relationship. In some way, it's a little bit like a sleepaway camp, so it provides a wonderful bonding time and a really enriched cultural experience as well.
The opportunity is wonderful for international connections, interpersonal connections, and just developing relationships that enhance one's ability to come back, return to their home base, and make a difference, having learned how to function as social workers from a world-class institution.